Hello, welcome to my channel. In today's sewing tutorial, I'd like to teach you how to fix huge hole in sweatpants. They're a little bit different sweatpants kind, they're polyester, and these are my son's, and he plays a lot on his knee. So the hole is located on the knee, and it is finished with like overlocking stitch. So I will try to mimic that. And I will use something similar. It's not going to be exactly the same, but I will go as close as I can. I will be sewing by hand, let me point that out. And I will be making something similar to like blanket stitch. So I will get that quite similar look, but not exactly. So for that reason, I'm going to need scissors and a needle and a thread. Also, the thread needs to have a knot at the end. So I already made a knot, as you can see. I hope you can see. And I am going to start sewing from inside. So I am going to poke the needle out from inside. See how I'm accessing these pants, the hole, from inside. And then as I go, I will fold just a tiny bit that edge of that hole and will be sewing it on top. So it's something similar to a blanket stitch. So I have to make sure that the size of my stitch will be similar to the existing one. So go all around the needle, push it up, pull, and repeat. That's what we're gonna do all to the end. So make sure that the thread that comes out of the fabric will go over the needle. So this is the way we're gonna get that blanket stitch look. You can even do it twice if you want, like make a loop. It's not necessary. So now is the tricky part. Remember to fold it in. So you have to make sure to attach, to like sew it, stitch the bottom piece of fabric. Stitch it well, you can skip that. Oops, I got it really, so my thread got tangled big time. Make sure to fold that end of the hole in and press it down firmly with your nail, and then get the needle to go through it. Poke it back up. Twist the thread twice around the needle and then pull. And repeat. So the hole is almost gone. Just like that. Pull. So I'm at the end of that hole, almost done with repairing it. And now I have to finish it nicely, finish it off very nicely. So I connect these two so it will not be showing that the pants have been fixed. Few more last stitches and that's it. So yeah, that's how it looks. So no more hole. So what I'm gonna do now, I'm gonna get that needle and a thread back to the left side so I can make a knot so the stitch will not untangle. Let me make sure that that's all nice and good. Now make a loop. So make a loop. And do it again. Even the third time if you would like to, but 2 should be secure. So you can do even 3 times. And now it's safe to cut off that thread. So that's it, and let's take a look. So this is how it looks. I think it looks pretty good. All fixed, perfect, no more hole. Another amazing repair. So if you like my videos, please like it and subscribe. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please do so and hit the bell button so you will be notified every time I upload a new video. Thank you for watching and have a great day. Bye-bye.